Hello everyone and welcome back to TravelSolo Channel. So this is another unboxing video, and this time I'm going to unbox a a coffee maker. Is any one of you here loves coffee? If you love coffee, if you're a coffee lover, please do comment below. And for how many months or years I have been drinking at home an instant coffee, but at work we have a coffee machine, we have a coffee maker, so I drink coffee. I don't drink an instant coffee at the office, but of course a ground coffee is much better than the instant coffee. So today I'm going to unbox the Nescafe. This is the Nescafe Dolce Gusto. So this is a coffee maker and I bought this today. It's 399 reals. So let's unbox this coffee machine and let's see what's inside this box. Okay, so let's go. So this is the Dolce Gusto coffee maker or coffee machine from Nescafe. So it says here it's automatic, play and select, auto stop, and we can make the coffee for 15 minutes. Okay, so let's find out what's inside here. Okay, so we have here the user manual. Well, I'm not really fond of reading the user manual, but there's so much information in here in case that I needed some reference, so I just have to keep this manual for future reference, but I'm not really fond of reading manuals. So here, so this is the holder. And let's carefully open. Oh my god. Okay. So it's empty, and this is what we have. Okay, I like the wirings. It's red. Tamang-tama. Tamang-tama ang color. Red for Valentine's. And also here, so look at that, how sexy it is. So this is the coffee machine. So here, this is where we're going to place the water. And this machine can also we can use both hot and cold water here. And here, if we're going to open, so this is where we're going to insert the coffee capsule. I already bought some capsules. Also have coffee capsules already from Starbucks. So just have to insert that. And then we'll just have to push this down, and then this will already create the coffee. So we will try it. Okay, and let's see how it works. Okay, so now it's time to try our coffee machine, our Dolce Gusto coffee maker. So I already placed here the coffee capsule, and this is coming from Starbucks. I have my mug, and I already put some water here. So we just adjust. So here you can adjust how much of water you would like to uh, use. So let's just put it half. And here you have a selection here of hot and cold water. So hot for red, and then for cold water is blue. So we'll just switch that on like that, and then we'll switch on. So here you can see the water is already boiling and it's ready to make the coffee. So let's try and see. Okay, so there you go. I can already smell the coffee, and this is the caramel macchiato from Starbucks. So here's the coffee from the caramel macchiato that is from Starbucks. So I already have tried for the very first time my new coffee maker or my coffee machine. So here it is. Again, I have the coffee capsule coming from Starbucks coffee, and it's a caramel macchiato. So let's try. Well, it really tastes like when you are having coffee and sitting down at the Starbucks coffee. So this is really a perfect coffee. I love this. I love this. All right. So yeah. So let's enjoy some coffee. Okay. If you're a coffee lover, so get a cup of coffee, sit down, relax, and enjoy every sip of your coffee. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye.